Wait, this one actually came with a lot more. I'm glad I got two because this one's in the better condition, but this one came with more stuff. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Lots of pillows. These are little records. Nice. And then we've got these tiny Barbie magazines. I wonder if some of this bedding that's in both of these, the original owner just like threw those in. Yeah, these look very handmade. Because I think the houses originally just came with these cardboard pillows. This is definitely how I was expecting these to look, which makes this one just all the more amazing that it's in as good a shape as it is.